Yeah, my good friends, welcome back to Pinterest class, and today I have sound. Now, sound comes from two letters. We join letter P and letter H to form sound. Another thing I want you to know, sound is sound produced as yes, it is like sound from letter F. Yes. Let's look at the blends. Oh, there are only 3 blends here. We have fa, fi, and fo. Yes. Okay, let's now look at the word formation. Some sounds are silent in some words. First one is photo. 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 Yes, a photo. Then the next one, phone, and the last sound is silent, so we have phone, a phone like the one which you hold. And then the next one, elephant. Yes, elephant. And the last one for today is alphabet. Alphabet. Yes, alphabet. The sentences, let's look at the sentences. An elephant is a wild animal. Yes, an elephant is a wild animal. Then the next one, this is my photo. This is my photo. This is my photo. And the last one, these are alphabets. These are alphabets. Yes, these are alphabets. And that's it, my friends. And I'm saying bye-bye.